Okay, let us continue, students. All right. So, as I was saying, we already know what A2 is, okay? Because A2 is 2 times A1 and we have already obtained A1 in the numerical. Now, I have to find H2. So what I'll do is, see, this is my A2's value, and as I was saying, this value I have obtained using a calculator. Your value by doing log calculation might differ a little bit, okay? Not very much difference. Little bit point here and there might be different. So here what we'll do is, on the left hand side, we'll substitute the formula for A. So in this scenario, it is going to be pi d2 square, right? Yes or no? Equal to, the right hand side is going to be as it is. Okay, right hand side value is going to be as it is. Now students, the question is, what is d2? Because we do not know d2. We simply know d1. We have obtained that. d is under root 2 rh और h1 था हमारे पास, इसलिए हम लोग d1 ढूंढ सके. बट d2 हम लोग ढूंढ सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज हमारे पास h2 नहीं है. So what we will do is, here instead of d2 I will substitute under root 2r h2. That is the formula, okay? And the whole square equal to right hand side will be as it is. Now can anyone tell me what will happen here in this bracket, or what is the next thing that we can do? Now can you all tell me? Yes, students, please try answering. It is very simple. I just want the next step that we'll do. Yes, anyone? Okay, I hope you all know that when you all do square of square root, स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाता है, ये पता है ना तुम लोग को. तो ये जो स्क्वायर रूट का स्क्वायर है, तो वो तो चला जाएगा, स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट. तो ये क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? पाई इंटू 2rh2. ओके, स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट चला गया, इक्वल टू, यू आर सपोज टू राइट द वैल्यू. ओके, दिस इज वन एंटायर इक्वेशन. Now here students, we have to find h2, right? So keep h2 on one side. This value is already here. Which value? 48.229 into 10 raised to 3 डिवाइड बाय, ये जो बाकी सब है वो डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा. तो 2 डिनोमिनेटर में चला गया, पाई इज 3.14, कैपिटल आर भी तो डिनोमिनेटर में चला गया. एंड सी स्टूडेंट्स, दिस एरिया was in kilometer square, right? 2 pi. So you all will take r also in kilometer, that is 6400. तो तुम लोग को जो फाइनल आंसर मिलेगा h2 वो भी किलोमीटर में होगा. समझा? दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू सॉल्व एंड ऑब्टेन द न्यू हाइट. एज आई सेड, सी हमने जो फॉर्मूलाज है वही यूज किए हैं. ओके एवरीवन, प्लीज लेट मी नो इफ यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द 8th न्यूमेरिकल.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Sahil is telling the screen is not visible. Are others also facing the same problem? You all can see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Sahil, I think so बेटा some network issue might be happening. थोड़ा lag हो रहा रहेगा, maybe इसके लिए नहीं दिख रहा होगा screen. Okay, fine. Okay, everyone, have you all noted this down? So I'll quickly discuss the next numerical then. Next one is very simple. 8th one is little difficult. Okay, so 8th one please star mark and keep. 8th and also the 7th one also, both of them star mark and keep. Little thinking you all have to do. 9th one is easy. Note down कर लिया सबने 8th वाला?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Good. Okay, chalo, quickly we'll discuss the, or what if people have not noted it down, then at least take a screenshot and keep. उतना तो कर सकते हो ना, बाद में solve करते टाइम अच्छे से लिख लेना, screenshot लेके रख लो. Okay, I'll just wait for a minute for if people are taking screenshots. Okay, till then, okay, someone will please read the 9th question for me. Quickly. Last numerical for the day and as well as of this chapter. Someone please read. Who will read? Acha, if someone wants to read voluntarily, please go ahead. Come on, students, fast. Acha, okay, I'll ask someone to read. Wait. Okay, Saurav, read the numerical, please. Yes, Saurav. Arey Baba, chat. Acha, okay. Who will read? Someone please read. Acha, Elizabeth, please read the numerical. Okay, Saurav, no problem. Where is Elizabeth? Oh my God, why is no one reading the question, guys? I don't have a textbook with me. That's why I want you all to read. Yes, Lenroy, please. Will you please read the question?
Antenna. The top of a tower has a height of 32 meters. The antenna is 50 meters. What is the distance between them for satisfactory communication in mode? Given
Oh,
radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters.
okay, fine. Thank you so much, Lenroy. Okay, see, now they are asking us what is the maximum distance for satisfactory communication. Okay, fine. Okay, Elizabeth, no problem. Network issues, then no problem. Okay, fine. So they have given us height of the transmitting antenna. They have given us height of the receiving antenna. Okay, fine. And see, students, height of the receiving antenna is also now given to us. Okay, and for good communication, they are asking what is the distance that should be there between both of them. So you all are supposed to use that logic now. Okay, where you all will find distance of the transmitting antenna, that is range of the transmitting antenna, that is under root 2r ht, plus you all will add the range of the receiving antenna, that is 2r hr. Okay, fine. So that's it. That's this sum. Okay. So one suggestion that I would give you all, convert all of them into, see students, what you all can do is, now in my data, everything is in meter. So substitute everything. The answer that you all will get for Dmax is also going to be in meter. And then you all can convert it into kilometer. This is one thing that can be done. Another thing that can be done is convert your data, all the three values in the data into kilometers. Okay. Substitute them, you all will directly get the answer in kilometer. But see students, I feel because all of them are already in meters, then don't think much, directly substitute everything and solve, finish the calculation, and then just simply do the conversion in the final answer from meter to kilometer. That's it. Okay, that's it. This is the ninth numerical. Everyone please let me know if you all understood the ninth numerical.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so quickly note down or maybe take a screenshot and keep. Please don't forget the numerical pattern that I have asked you all to follow: data, to find, and solution. Even if it is for 2 marks, 3 marks, okay? See to it that your numerical is presentable. Please, for your test, see all the solved examples, see all the examples from behind your textbook, okay? And read the textbook properly. We are done with the chapter.